Hey everyone, Monkey Wrench Mike here showing off the KBO Tornado Fat Tire Bike. This Tornado is a very sturdy, powerful, and versatile e-bike featuring a brushless 750 watt motor, a 48 volt battery, a lockable front suspension, and a range of up to 45 miles. The Shimano 6-speed gear system features silky smooth gear changes, and the mechanical brakes are super adjustable. The bike weighs 73 pounds and will support up to 350 pounds on tough 26-inch by 4-inch fat tires. The Tornado comes in green, black, and gray, and KBO offers all kinds of add-ons like a front basket, a rear basket, an adjustable stem, a double-sided rear bag, even a cargo trailer. Before we hop on the KBO Tornado step-through bike, I want to show you one of my new favorite features. Look at this. Right here on the battery, there's a little port. You know what that's for? That's for charging your cell phone. Yes, you can get a cell phone mount, put it right here, and charge your cell phone while you are riding your bike. I think that is very, very cool. Okay, let's go have some fun. I love the color of the bike. You can get it in green, black, or gray. The fact that it's a step-through is really, really nice. It is easy to jump on, and it is easy to ride. So we're in manual right now. We do have 5 pedal assists, 2, 3, 4, and 5, okay? So let's just go to 2. We'll just take off very slowly. And I haven't really adjusted the seat too much. So let's just take her for a spin and see how she feels. Okay, right off the bat, I can raise the seat up a little bit. One thing about these KBO bikes that I really like, and you know I'm kind of a car guy, but they're like the Volvo of cars, the older Volvo of cars. You can tell they don't have all the fancy features, but they are made so well and they'll get you where you want to go. Like this one doesn't have turn signals. It doesn't have the headlight that is charged by the battery right there. There's no brake light. It's a reflector. But they work. It's just gonna take a little effort to make sure your headlight is charged and ready to go. If you do a lot of night riding. If you don't worry about it. You got the reflector on the back and you are good to go. But see, it's comfortable, it is sturdy, and it's just so well put together. Adjusting the bike is so easy. It's just this little turn right here. See that right there? Look, and now we're ready to go. I love the fat tires. I really, really do. These seem to be very well made. Okay, this is a rough part of the road. I'm in passenger pedal assist 2, 14 miles an hour. No problem at all. It is windy today. So I do apologize if you can hear the wind noise. Here we go. Let's go up to 5 and just kind of see what she's going to do. Yeah. 17, 18, 19, 20 miles an hour. There you go. 4th gear. I'm gonna go this way because there's a car wanting to pass me. And come to a stop. Look at that. Okay, there's a little bit of a squeak, but that's okay. Okay, let's go down to 2 in the pedal assist. I'm about to lose my hat. But I want to try to shift these gears a little bit, or we can just go manual. Let's just go that, passenger assist 0, and we'll just kind of see how, oh, listen. You cannot even hear the chain rattle at all. There it is. Going down you can a little bit. 4th gear, 3rd gear. Holy moly, that's a nice little shifter. Yeah, so you have 6 speed Shimano shifter. And without the pedal assist, this is it's a nice bike to ride. It's kind of heavy, but I've tested heavier ones. And because it's a step through, I think you can be as short as like 5'1". It's like 5'1" to 6 something, 6'3", 6'5". So this will fit riders of all sizes. Man, you can just feel, I love the feel of these KBO bikes. They just have a nice, well-built feel to them. They just feel heavier than they are, but not in a bad way, just like a well-put-together way. And because it's a KBO bike, you can get all kinds of options on this thing, okay? All kinds of baskets. They have saddlebags. They even have a trailer. You can attach a trailer to this bike, so you can put your kids in there, your dog. You want to do some DoorDash, some Uber Eats or whatever, put your food back there, and you're going to be fine. I always smile when I'm on these bikes. I really do. As we're out here just kind of enjoying everything, there's a 45-mile range with this at optimal conditions. You got to add that, so if you're a very light rider, maybe going downhill a little bit, some backwind, you'll get 45 miles per charge. You can be 350 pounds. That is the max. And the brakes, believe it or not, they're not hydraulic. They're mechanical, just like your regular bike. There's a little cable going through here, right here. And that's how you stop. So it's not a liquid, it's not hydraulic. It's a mechanical brake system. The riding position is nice. It's an extra large saddle or an extra large seat. So I guess it's made for the American audience, these American riders with their big old booties. Okay, let's go up this hill. This is kind of steep. We'll go to passenger assist 5. Yeah, I'm in top gear. 10, 11, 12, 13. 13 looks about like a good speed. This is a beautiful little neighborhood right here. Sorry about the storm damage. As you know, Tulsa had some 100-mile-an-hour winds come through, and everybody's waiting for the city to come pick up all their limbs and their debris. But if you look past that, Tulsa is a beautiful, beautiful city. You notice the energy bar gets used as we go up these hills. So it goes down and then you let go and it goes back up. Hopefully you can see that. This is a bike that I could ride for hours. I mean, really it is, because it's so comfortable. I like the extra large seat. It just fits me so perfectly. The handlebars are the right distance. You've got the throttle right here. You can still change your gears. You get a little bell. Your pedal assist levels are right here. Everything you need. But it's just so nice. Okay, pricing for the KBO Tornado. $14.99 is your regular price. They do have it marked down to about $11.99 right now. Do I think it's worth it? I do. I mean, I wish it had some of the other features. You know, the turn signals are nice, but having a headlight that comes on when you want it to, you don't have to charge it separately. Tail light is nice. The fact that it has the cell phone charging port right there is huge, but I just wish there were some other features. Like I said, it's like an old Volvo. It's built tough. It's built Ford tough, except it's a KBO bike. Time now to grade the bike on fit, form, and function. Fit, how well it came out of the box, how well everything fit together. 100% perfection, okay? So easy to put together. Came out of the box without a problem at all. Easy, easy, easy. we're giving her an A. Form, the way that the bike looks. Well, I gotta tell you, I love the army green. I think that's a very cool color. I was coming up the hill, a car full of kids said, "Cool bike, dude, yeah." I screamed back, "Yeah, it's an old guy on a new bike." And they went, "Woo!" Yeah, it's a good looking bike, I really do. Sometimes I like how they hide these in the frames. KBO did not, it's kind of on display right here. I love the fact there is a little port for your battery, and you have, of course, all of these options as far as back rack. You got a basket in the front, you can get saddlebags, you can get a trailer, all that kind of stuff, which all look amazing. So far as form goes, we're going to give it an A. Yeah, function, although I do like it, I'm going to be very, very picky here. The brakes, I wish the brakes were a little tighter coming out of the box. I mean, I was giving her all I got and she kind of rolled down to a stop. You can adjust them very easily because they are mechanical brakes. There's just a cable going in right over here and it's easy to do, but I've never had to adjust the brakes on any of the bikes that I've tested so far. The motor was nice. It's a 750 watt motor. It got up the hill relatively nice. I wish it had a little more punch, but that's okay. I don't like the fact that you have to charge your front headlight right here, and I like having tail lights, and I really, really like having turn signals. You don't have that option here on the KBO Tornado, but if you're looking for a very well-built, heavy-duty kind of a bike that will probably last for a long, long time, that is still very comfortable to ride, thanks to the shocks and the extra wide seat right here, KBO Tornado is certainly something that you should consider. So we're going to give her a B, which means overall, we're going to give this bike a B+. Yeah, this is a good bike. Not my best bike, not my worst bike by a long shot. This is a very, very well-built bike, and I really, really, really do like it. It's just I wish it had a couple of other features. The headlight and the tail light, I think, are the big things for me. So thank you to everybody at KBO for sending me this Tornado bike. It is nice. Check it out. Like I said, $14.99 marked down to about $11.99. And if you subscribe, there's other ways to get discount codes. You can do that as well and bring that price down even lower. So thank you to KBO, and thank you to you for checking out this review video. We're gonna have another one coming up very, very soon. I got another one delivered today that is different than any other bike that I have received yet. Okay, so you want to stay tuned for that. Okay, have a great day, everybody. I'm going to go out and have some more fun on the KBO Tornado, and we'll see you in the next video. Okay.